Hello, welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Today we're going to have a maths lesson on angles. We're going to learn some of the properties of angles so that you can go on to solve more questions. Angles on a straight line. The angles are everywhere you go, right? Even in this calendar, there is an angle, right? This is a right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle, right? So there are many examples of angles everywhere we go. Angles on a straight line means it's a straight line. And all the angles will add up to 180 degrees because this is 180 degrees. Okay, that means all the angles on the line is going to add up to 180 degrees. That means if I have three angles, angle A, angle B, and angle C, they're all going to add up to 180 degrees because they all are on the line. So you have A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. So for example, let's say I have a line and this is 60 degrees. So what do you think is this angle? So this angle will be, the total will be 180. So 180 minus 60 will be 180 degrees. So how do you identify angles on a straight line? Look for the straight line. Okay, once you can see the straight line, they will all add up to 180 degrees. Now let's go on to the next one. Angles at a point. A point, this point here, you can have many angles. Okay, for example, you can have angle A here, angle B here, angle C here, and angle D here. This angle at a point, you see, it moves about in one whole circle. One whole circle. That is like turning 360 degrees all round. So all of them will add up to 360 degrees. So A plus B plus C plus D. All the angles will add up to, okay, let me write the angle sign in, sorry. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will be 360 degrees. This is angles at a point. Angles on a straight line, then it's 180 degrees. Alright? So they all add up to 180 degrees. So you need to look for the points, and they all add up to 180 degrees. What are vertically opposite angles? Vertically opposite angles means two lines, they cross. It can either be this way or this way. These are all crosses. You look for the X. Okay? The big alphabet to look for is the letter X. After you see the letter X, the two angles that are opposite one another, they are equal. Means this angle is equals to this angle. The opposite angles are equal. So angle A is actually equals to angle B because they are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And angle C is actually equals to angle D. Okay? Angle C is equals to angle D. How about alternate angle? Alternate angle, you look for two parallel lines. And you look for the letter Z. Where's the letter Z? Let me show you in a while, okay? Let me show you in red the letter Z. The Z is here. This one, the letter X is here. Letter X, letter Z. So this angle A, angle B. This is an alternate angle. So angle A equals to angle B. Okay? Alternate angles are equal, but they have to be parallel lines. Parallel lines, you look out for the letter Z, they are alternate angles. Corresponding angles, you need to look for parallel lines also. And there's a cut through, and you look for letter. Okay, let me show you one easier one. This one will be equals to this one. There's a corresponding angle. Let's call it C and D. Angle C will be equals to angle D. Okay? So what do I look out for? I look out for letter F. And where's the letter F? F is over here. Can you see? This angle here and this angle here. So F will be here something. Okay, the letter F, angle C is equals to angle D because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, you look for letter F. And the last one, interior angles, also parallel lines, and then cut across. Okay, angle A is equals to angle B. And this is called the interior angle. Sorry, interior angles are not equal. They add up to 180 degrees. Interior angles add up to 180 degrees. Okay, they add up. Huh? Sorry, they are not equal. You need to look for letter C. So where's letter C? The two parallel lines. Down here, through here, C. So now we learned all the properties of most of the properties of the angles. So you can go on to solve more questions. For more videos, go to miratlelearningcenter.com. We are specialists in maths and science. Thank you for watching this video.